Hi, I'm Megha Joshi and Megzy Pop to you. I know you know this by now. Today we're going to make cheesy bread pizza cups. Before I start with the recipe, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates about my recipes. Please take a screenshot of the ingredients so that you could develop again. First things first, please take a screenshot of the ingredients so that you could refer to it later on. So let's get started. I need to get a bowl. In this bowl, I'm going to mix all my toppings together, okay? So we're going to start with the green pepper, then the corn. I've boiled it, the onions, and the oregano. Okay, I'm going to mix. Notice I've not put salt because our pizza sauce already has salt. And cheese also has salt. Okay, this is done. It's easy peasy. I'm just going to keep it aside. Now I'm going to take the bread and we're going to cut off the crust. So we're going to cut it off. Don't throw away the crust. I'll tell you a quick, easy tip you can use. All this crust, you can just chuck it in the oven for 10 minutes on about 80 degrees Celsius. It'll crisp up and you can serve it with a dip. Okay, we're done. Now, what we're going to do is place this bread in little molds. We have a muffin mold. I'm just going to place each one in there like this. So I've placed my bread in the little cups. Now we're going to put some pizza sauce. If you don't have ready-made pizza sauce, you can always make your own. Even with ketchup, some tomato, chopped tomatoes, some mayonnaise. You can just use your own creativity, your own palate. Okay, we're done with the sauce. I'm going to put the toppings now. Now we're going to put the cheese. And we're done. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes at 180 degrees. And my cheesy bread pizza cups are ready. I'm going to quickly plate them. They're smelling so nice. It's nice and golden crispy. These are our cheesy bread pizza cups. If you guys have enjoyed my quick and easy recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to quickly try it.